So I'm going to start off with the first question. Do you think violence is needed to regain peace?
Well, no, I do not think that violence needs to regain peace. Well, yes, or no, basically, because without violence, you can forgive. And when you forgive, you can make peace. But with violence,
If you don't mind me cutting across this, maybe if there is some way we can build up from our mistakes, because usually mistakes can cause violence, but maybe we can turn that around and make it into peace instead.
yes, indeed. Would you like to say anything else?
I need to say that I really agree with you, Marcus. I think that violence isn't really needed to regain peace. I think violence just brings more violence, but sometimes if you don't have violence, you can't forgive people. And even if you make a mistake and accidentally make violence somewhere, other people might try to help you and try to gain your trust, and you can make that part of violence into peace.
Yes. Dan, would you like to say anything else?
Well, like Marcus said, even your friends who hit you down can actually help you back up again. Because usually my mum says if someone bullies you, it means they've been bullied by someone else. So perhaps that's right, perhaps that's wrong. Charlie, no one knows.
Sometimes the enemy you're feared of is the one inside of you.
I would also like to add something about that. What Marcus said about the enemy that is in you, I think that maybe the person who bullies you and you're really scared of them, maybe they've had a rough past too, and they are also scared of getting bullied, so they'd rather do it themselves. And I'd also like to say, even if a robber does bad stuff, maybe they're actually very nice if you get to know them, because they may seem like they do bad stuff.
This quote was from another peacekeeper, Martin Luther King Jr. And what he is trying to say here is that your enemies are also your friends. And in the end, your enemies can always get your back, even though you're down.
What does peace really mean to you?
Well, it means to me is friendship, trust, like Marcus said here, justice and happiness. A lot of things mean peace to me.
And what I personally think of peace is when people are kind to you, they help you out. And even if you make a mistake, they'll still help you out and make you more confident. Yep, that's a very good example, Marcus. So we have finished this interview here.